90% young professionals miss out on high paying job because their LinkedIn is not optimized. If you're looking for a high paying job, your LinkedIn is going to play a very important role. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to help you fix and optimize your LinkedIn profile. So let's get started. So you have to come to this website. I will give the link in the comments so that you can redirect to this page. All you need to do is there is two options for you to optimize your LinkedIn profile. So first is AI LinkedIn profile reviewer. So this is important tool for you. This will help you identify the gap in your LinkedIn profile. And this is another major tool option that you have, which is this can help you create a summary of your profile and give you so that you can add that in the about section. So let's try first tool, which is AI LinkedIn profile reviewer. Just click on this particular tool. Once you come to this page, all you need to do is just paste your LinkedIn URL and just go to your LinkedIn page and just paste it this. So let me go to my LinkedIn page. Just go to your profile. So your profile is here, view profile, and just copy this link from here. Copy your profile link and paste it in the box where we left. Now just paste this URL here and click on get feedback and just wait for a few seconds. Now it's ready. So all you need to do is just look at the information below. So now they have given me suggestion regarding my examples, how I can make these changes. If you slightly scroll down, you can see the suggestion as well as example of summary so that I can add these in my profile. If you scroll down below, you will see the example of these as well. So whichever you like it, just copy paste the same thing in your LinkedIn. You will see the education section, how you can actually framework. You can add some relevant coursework, data structure, machine learning. These are some of the best suggestions that I've seen. Even in some resume also, you have to mention relevant coursework so that people should know what kind of course you pursued in your academics. So this is, you can also make some changes in your education background as well. And they also give you some general tips to stand out among the profile, like you need to upload your professional profile picture, your custom LinkedIn URL, like your linkedin.com/ your name. You've seen a lot of people using just generic like 123 rahul.com, something like that. So it doesn't look professional. So you can make these in this format as well. Add a background banner. So a lot of people keep their background just plain and that's look ugly. So you can also add banners. You can use Canva in order to make those changes as well. You can also see the request recommendation section. So you can always ask a recommendation from your batchmates, from your seniors, from the company that you work. So this will basically give you credibility and this give a sense of review for the recruiters to know that, okay, this person is genuine. So it's basically a self review, basically. Just like you have a product review, similarly, it's a human review. So people like recruiters usually check these to understand if the person is authentic, if the person knows the work, etc., etc. Keep your profile updated. It's very important to keep your profile updated. It doesn't matter if you are not active, if you're not posting. What is important is you keep updating your learning skills, your professional changes. For example, you switch from one job to another, you need to keep updating that. Whatever role you're doing it, just make sure to add those skills as well. Some additional tips they also provide to join LinkedIn groups. So for example, if you are looking for jobs, let's say in marketing, join marketing groups. If you're looking for jobs in HR groups, join HR groups on LinkedIn. So you should be searching groups like HR groups on LinkedIn search bar, and you can join those groups so that you can be relevant to the what is happening around in the HR world, marketing world, finance world. So you can join these specific groups to stay updated about the recent job posting and so on. You can also share content if you like to stay updated with the industry. If you have something to speak, voice it out. Give your voice certain people to assume that you have the expertise in that particular field, and that would really add credibility in your profile. When you start posting content around your, or say if I'm a data analyst or if I'm a finance analyst, if you start posting content around these, people perceive me as an expert in that particular field. So this would be an ideally a very important consideration if you're looking to be a master in your field. Make sure to start creating content around. We are living in the age of ChatGPT, Grok, and Claude AI. You can use these tools to paste content around. So this would be super useful tool to create a compelling LinkedIn profile for you. You can also do some open to work features. I would not recommend this because in India it's considered as a red flags, but I will not recommend to you. Proofread, always check grammatical mistakes in your LinkedIn profile because we are living in a world where English is a critical subject. Contact info. If you would like to add any contact info, such as if you have any website, portfolio like GitHub account, Canva account, or you would like to add anything that you want to highlight yourself in terms of project. If you have done some crazy project, you can add those project as well. So this would be additionally, this would be super useful for you to understand what is the best way to optimize your LinkedIn profile step by step categories. Now, let's explore the LinkedIn summary generator with AI tools. So this is a LinkedIn summary generator, and all you need to do is you just have to mention what do you do. So let's say I'm typing am a finance analyst. What are you targeting? So let's say I'm targeting startups. So I'll just put startups and MSMEs. And what do you want people to do after reading your summary? So let's say if I people on people on people provide jobs. Tone do you want to use it? Is it formal? I would say keep it friendly, get unique. Do you want to include emojis? I think in a formal setting, I think emojis will not work. So let's hit generate now. Can you see this? As a dedicated financial analyst, you have given me a great summary, which I can add that in the my LinkedIn summary, right? So this is a comprehensive summary. All you need to do is just copy this link, copy this paragraph, and just paste it in your about section. This would be really super useful. You don't have to do a lot of hard work. This is the best way to optimize your LinkedIn. In modern age, LinkedIn is very crucial for a job specific or personal brand building. If you're trying to get into a high paying job and if you're trying to attain these kind of jobs, you have to have a good LinkedIn presence. And if you can able to make it, this is the limit. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit subscribe for more career hack, job tips, and strategies to land your dream job faster.